This is part 2 of the governor and clutch repair on the Farmall Cub, 1952 International Farmall Cub. I'll start where I left off. This shaft here comes out, loosen these two things here, take this off here, and then I can slide that right on out. And what I did, I took it off, put it on my lathe, and just turned it down with a little emery cloth and cleaned it all up so it's nice and smooth. It goes in here through there, and right there you can see there's a little needle bearing in here on the governor, and right here is the spring right there that this pushes down. This goes in like this, and as this rotates, it goes like this and pushes down on that spring there. The part that was froze up was right here. As you can see, it's broken now. It's in 3 pieces. There's another little piece to it that goes off over here for the linkage to go on to, and then this goes on to the end of this, onto this right here, like this. This goes on in here, and goes on here, and this should move freely. When you pull your lever up here, this should move like this without any problems at all. See, this, all this does right here, this is just a rod here that comes out that this goes on to right here. All right, and it should just go like this. This doesn't move, it's solid. This is the only thing that moves, and this is what binds up right here on your governor. When you pull your lever and it doesn't move, it doesn't do anything here. This is what the problem is right here on the governors on the Cubs. Okay, you don't got to get a new governor and get all new insides to it like I showed you over there. That's all good stuff. All you got to do is get this lever off here, and however you got to do it, get it off. I mean, I got this off. It took me forever. It probably took me 2 hours to get this off of here. Then I polished this up here, this shaft up here with some emery cloth, cleaned it all up. So now you can see it. If I hadn't broke it, it spins freely here. And this is cast, so it breaks real easy. So I'm going to make a new one of these. If I can't get one at the farm store, the tractor supply store down there, I'm going to just make one up out of steel and put it on there. And if I do, I'll show you what it's like in another video. I will on there. It'd be pretty easy to make. And then here's the spring, the return spring for that, and it is really strong. Now this is the shaft. Okay, this shaft here is bolted onto the carburetor side of your Cub over here, and then your linkage goes on this from the carburetor, this lever here, and then that moves this. This shaft moves like this. So this shaft moves with this solid, like that, on here. Now, this shaft here has a keyway, right here, I'll show you, right there, that this little half moon goes into, right here, this little half moon key. Then this piece here, which is a lever, a thing here, you can see the keyway slot here, and one on this side. Right, and then that goes in there, hooks to this one here, and that's your governor right there. That's all there is to it. There's 2 of these little things here like that, and that's it. All you gotta do is clean it all up. If you don't break your thing here, you don't have any more work than that. But you don't got to take the governor all apart like they're showing you online. A lot of these guys are showing you online. They're tearing the governor all the way down. Now, there's a spring right there too, right? And this is, but yeah, that's that simple. Now the clutch, I'll make another video on the clutch, okay, and show you guys. All right. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, DannyOH11. And let me know if I said anything wrong. Comment on it. Tell me. because I couldn't find anything online pretty much to tell me about these Farmall Cub Governors. And so this is my first one I've repaired, and I'll show you once I get the tractor back together and up and running, and how good it works. And that's it for now. Thank you.